Okay.
No, if you put six there, those definitely.
Oh, wait.
That one looks like a bum with outstretched wings. That looks like a bum with outstretched
Take the
wings.
sticks off. That's too.
Yeah, I don't like
that. Too much. Come on, the car coming. Oh my God!
It's really far away though.
Look, we got a car coming.
Let's pour gasoline on it and light it. And people go, and they drive right through it.
That's interesting.
And flame it up. A wall.
What's that about?
They just drive right through it.
Don't be too close, it will splatter on you.
Don't get too close or they'll go out. No, we'll distract them. We'll be distracted.
Act natural.
Oh my God! Guys, what they try and
That's natural.
and they wreck.
Okay, look like we're doing something like
Huddle, huddle.
huddle, guys.
Huddle.
We're dancing. This is a party.
This is no dance party.
Make it natural. Dance party.